Thank you for listening to the Hans Travel and Lifestyle podcast on luxury travel. Today we are in Barcelona in the amazing Palau Robert to have a chat about artificial intelligence and how that is disrupting the world of luxury travel. Of all the people that I know, nobody better than Eduard Martín. Hola, Edu.
Hola.
Eduard would need a separate podcast just to present him, so I will be very brief. He is the CIO and Intelligent Connectivity Director at the Mobile World Capital. He is also a Microsoft certified trainer and systems engineer. He's an associate professor at the University of Bachelor of Computer Science. He has 3 bachelor degrees, not 1, not 2, just 3, and he is a very proud current National Award on Computer Science. So, hello again.
Hello again.
Thank you for taking the time to speak with us. I would like to start asking you about the most common misconceptions on artificial intelligence, because normal people like me, we see science fiction movies and we think the horror is around the corner. So, in your opinion, what are the most common misconceptions?
It's very difficult to explain because the artificial intelligence is a very complex technology. It's not a one technology by itself. It's a set of different technologies combining different types of infrastructures, different types of software. At the end, is a complex, very complex systems. But artificial intelligence is artificial. It's not human intelligence. Okay. We don't have to have panic about the possibilities of artificial intelligence, because at the end, the artificial intelligence is a engine made for the people.
Okay.
And we have the possibility to control now this engine, this software. At the end, artificial intelligence is software. It's a very complex software that combines the massive use of data, data converted to information, and information converted to knowledge, and we don't have to have panic about this software.
But you would agree we're facing a number of challenges. I mean,
Yes.
the use and the abuse of AI. I mean, on the fun part, we have all of those videos that are like super cool to watch. But on the other hand, identity theft and all of this. What, in your opinion, what are the biggest challenges that we're facing?
The biggest challenge is to control the evolution of this complex software. All the technologies have their limits, okay? And all the technologies in the history have their problems. All the technologies.
Yes.
The problem is that this technology is very complex. It's very difficult to think about what is the final purpose of this technology. All the technologies could be used for bad reasons,
Yes.
but all the technology can improve the life of the people. I think that we have to maintain the control. And we have to put rules, clear rules about the use of the artificial intelligence.
Those rules would at some point involve some sort of ethics behavior.
Yes.
Like, who is going to be the authority in deciding what is right and what is wrong? Because this is getting a little bit out of hand, no?
This is a very difficult question, because the ethics, it depends of the culture. And the culture is different in the different sides of the world, different countries. Now we are in the times to think about this.
Okay.
It's just the time, because I think that the different countries has to decide who is the principal actor, principal actor to put clear rules for all the people, for all the countries, and maintain a little set of ethics, a little set that will be in a little set of the ethics valid for all the world.
Okay, that can go cross
Yes.
countries and cross cultures.
This is very, very difficult. And I think that is related to political relations between countries and different organizations.
Okay. It's no secret that AI is disrupting the way we do business. We as humans in general tend to take disruption as catastrophe, like Uber was going to be the end of taxis, Airbnb was going to be the end of hotels. And in 1996, when Expedia came out as an online travel agency, everybody was like, we're all gonna die. This is the end for travel agencies. And yet, here we are. So, is AI disruptive like that? Or
No, I think that we have to change our mindset about
okay,
the technology, especially in artificial intelligence, because it's true that we have to develop a new ways to work. That the jobs will change for sure with digital technology, but I think that artificial intelligence could be a very excellent tool, for example, to help the travel agencies to make better itineraries, for example, or offer another type of user experience for the travelers. I think that artificial intelligence don't stop the evolution of the travel agency, but also I think that the artificial intelligence doesn't replace the human jobs.
yes, that was going to be my next question, because we at Hands Travel and Lifestyle, we take a lot of pride in how we curate things for our clients. We know that this guy likes strawberries on arrival. We know that
Yeah.
this guy do you think that in the future all of this will be replaced
No.
by AI, or
No.
so we will have a job in in
I'm
the next
convinced
years?
that no. Okay, I'm convinced that these types of things will change
Okay.
using artificial intelligence, for example, for improve these decisions,
Okay.
for make more specific decisions,
Okay.
not only about the food, if not about the experience during a journey, for example. I am convinced that we will able to maintain our jobs.
Okay, good news for the team, just saying. um, I remember a few years ago, I was in a place where you were speaking, giving a conference about 4G. We all had 3G, and you were speaking about 4G.
5G.
No,
Ah,
at that
4G.
moment it was 4G, like many months ago. But
I
then
am
when
very old.
when we went off stage, you started speaking about 6G,
Yeah.
and I was like, this guy, I mean, I'm not even at 4, how can we be speaking at 6? So there's always something coming ahead
Yeah.
that we don't have now. My question is, artificial intelligence, this is it? It's the
No.
end? I mean, the evolution
We
stops
are
there?
starting the era of artificial intelligence. We're starting. The people have to change their mindset another time because our evolution is constant, is permanent. Now, we don't have a version, another version. No, this is a continuous evolution.
It's going to be ongoing.
Yes, and our era is a time for a continuous disruption. This is very difficult to understand
Okay.
with old mindset.
And do you think that this hyper connectivity, this technology 24/7, it's in fact an opportunity for people to seek offline experiences where they can disconnect and just go and enjoy something that technology is not involved? Is there an opportunity there, or that will also mutate and will also need?
In our foundation, we are working for this, for
Okay.
convert this technology in opportunity and not in a problem for the society. But it's very difficult to understand and to make this real.
Okay. So in the future, do we have robots, Terminator coming? We are going to be,
Terminator, no.
not coming. Vale? So the robots are going to rule the
Yes.
world. What comes next after?
In the next 20 years, we will have robots in the homes helping our normal activities. Now we have a lot of robots in the industry, for example. But in the 20 years, the next 20 years, the expansion of the robots with artificial intelligence that with connectivity with a lot of data, around the world will be present in our lives. But this is only a problem of change our perspective.
I have two more questions for you. What about quantum intelligence? I mean,
Quantum computing?
quantum computing. Sorry, yes, I'm so
No,
lost.
quantum computing is another perspective of the computing scientist.
Uh-huh.
It's based in another principles, and it will be very important, for example, for the security.
Okay.
Quantum computing will help to maintain the security in all the times, for example, and it will be a reality in the next 10 years.
Okay. And just because my staff tend to watch my videos, one question specifically for them. Do you think that with so much technology where you can just put some glasses and be in your couch but be in Fiji at the same time, do you think people will continue to travel or is the world going to be so easy to reach by technology that people will stop traveling? And
I want that the people continue traveling.
yeah, me too. But
Yes.
what do you
It's
think?
not the same. It's not the same.
Of course not.
One thing is to see a virtual reality or another country through a glasses. Another thing is the human experience.
No, I agree
We
with
have to
that.
maintain the human experiences using the possibilities of the technology. For example, to travel to another country, use the glasses to obtain, to get additional information about the country, for example, not for travel.
Okay. So if
But
somebody...
it's danger.
Yes,
to
I know,
think
I know.
About
But I mean, if somebody like you with so many computer science degrees and all of this, you still think that travel will be there, I'm sure that we can find a way to combine. As you say,
yes,
it's all about
it's
the balance.
necessary to combine.
Yes. Okay. Well, listen, I cannot thank you enough to give me this time to have this conversation. Thank you so much, and thank you all for watching. Thanks.